Wildfires are a force of nature. They are raw, they are untamed, they are incredibly destructive. I've seen their power up close. They can turn a beautiful forest into a black, smoking wasteland in just hours. The air gets thick with smoke, making it hard to breathe. The air makes it hard to see, the air makes it hard to think. It's a battleground. Brave men and women fight back. They use incredible machines to take on the inferno. Sometimes, even the most powerful machines can fail. Sometimes the fight takes a terrifying turn. One moment, a helicopter is a symbol of hope, dropping water on the flames. The next, it's a spiraling wreck. You might wonder why we risk these incredible machines and the lives of their pilots. The answer is simple. In a wildfire, helicopters are a game changer. They are the cavalry coming over the hill. When a fire is burning in a remote, rugged place, you can't just drive a fire engine up to it. Mountains, canyons, dense forests. This is where the helicopter becomes an essential tool. It can fly over any terrain, reaching the heart of the blaze where no one else can go. It's about access, hitting the fire hard and fast, right where it hurts the most. The main job for these helicopters is dropping water. So what happened on that fateful day? How did a routine water scooping operation turn into a terrifying crash? Investigations take time. Eyewitness accounts and the shocking video footage give us a clear picture of the sequence of events. The helicopter, a powerful Bell 212, was performing a maneuver it had done countless times before. It hovered low over the lake, dipping its large red bucket into the water to fill it. This is a delicate operation. According to reports, the helicopter appeared to suffer a sudden loss of engine power. In a helicopter, the engine provides the lift that keeps it in the air. Losing power, especially at a low altitude with a heavy load, is a pilot's worst nightmare. The video shows the helicopter lurching and then starting to spin. When the helicopter hit the lake, the fight for survival was far from over. It had just entered a new, terrifying phase. You're upside down in the dark with cold water rushing in. Your training is all you have to rely on. The first step is to stay calm. You have to unbuckle your harness, find an exit. Miraculously, the pilot survived the crash. This is a testament to luck. Boats sped towards the crash site. The pilot was quickly rescued from the water. The helicopter itself sank to the bottom of the lake, a silent wreck that would later need to be recovered for the investigation. Every accident, especially one caught on camera, is a powerful learning opportunity. It forces us to look at procedures and equipment and ask tough questions. Was it a mechanical fault? Was it fuel contamination, improved maintenance checks, and possibly changes to helicopter design? It's about constant training. Recognize the incredible bravery of these men and women. They are true heroes. This should be a wake-up call to be prepared. Evacuate when told.